Hey guys, what's up? My name is Winnie and welcome back to another episode of the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about three things. So number one, what is the Forex market? Number two, how do you trade the Forex market? And number three, how can you make money trading Forex? So let's get to it. The best way that I can explain what the Forex market is by breaking the word apart. Okay, on one hand, you have Forex and on the other hand, you have markets. So Forex is just another word for currencies, and every country has their own national currency. In Kenya, we have the Kenyan shilling, we have Tanzanian shilling, we have South African rand, we have British pound. You get where I'm going with this. Alafu, on the other hand, we have a market. So the basics of any market is that they are going to be buyers and they're going to be sellers. So by combining these two words together, we come to the definition of Forex market, which is an online marketplace where buyers and sellers meet to trade currencies. I think it's important to note that in the Forex market, you're going to be buying and selling currencies at the same time. So let's say you're going to buy the US dollar, but at the same time, you're going to be selling the Canadian dollar. So let me give an example. Let's say a relative visits and they give you $100. So there are two places we can take this $100. You're going to take it to either a bank or a Forex bureau in town. Let's understand what this whole process means. Okay, so you have your $100, but you want your Kenyan shillings that the bank has. So in essence, what that means is that you're selling the US dollar, but at the same time, you're buying the Kenyan shilling. So this explains why there are these huge screens in banks and in these forex bureaus where they have the different rates at which they are buying and selling different currencies. So anytime you're going to take a trade on a trading platform with a broker, let's say you're going to place a trade to buy the euro/USD. What this means is that you're buying the euro, but at the same time you're selling the US dollar. The one thing we're not going to become is phantom traders. We're not going to take trades on a whim or just because we feel that the trade is going to work out in our favor. No, we are going to become calculated and methodical, having reasons why you're going to take the trade and why you're going to exit it. So in this part of the video, we're going to talk about three main ways that you can actually trade the Forex market. We have fundamental trading, we have technical trading, and we have hybrid trading, which is a combination of the two. So let's start with fundamental trading. So fundamental trading is based on the understanding that economic events influence price. Governments tend to release certain monthly reports that help indicate where the state of the economy is at. Examples of these reports include unemployment rates, they include inflation, they include reports kama consumer price index. So there's a lot of information that's shared by the government on a monthly basis. And what happens is analysts often tend to make projections before the actual results are released by the government. So if there is a discrepancy between the projections and the actual figures released by government, then this information influences price. Let's say, for example, the unemployment rate was projected to be, 10% by analysts. Alafu, the government comes out with a report saying that unemployment was actually declined by 2%, and so it's 8%. So this 2% discrepancy is actually going to influence the currency of the country. So as a fundamental trader, so these are the types of events that you'd be interested in looking at. And one resource that I know that a lot of fundamental traders use is called Forex Factory. It's completely free, and I'm going to share a link to the website where you can find that in the description box below. So technical trading is based on the understanding that price tends to form certain patterns that repeat themselves over and over again. So this is actually my main area of interest, and as a technical trader, I'm interested in seeing the development of certain patterns as well as the formation of various candles. I know this information may seem a bit foreign for anyone who's just starting out in Forex, but don't worry guys, I got you. I'm going to be making a lot of these videos in the future, so that you can be able to learn how we can be able to trade the forex market profitably. So as a technical trader, my job is to study the formation of price patterns as they develop in the market. So this information helps guide my decisions on whether I am going to buy or I'm going to sell a certain currency pair. So the hybrid method combines both the technical trading and fundamental trading. So as a trader who employs this method, you're actually going to be interested in how price forms certain patterns, but at the same time you're also interested in the economic reports that have been released by different governments. Let's take for an example that you spot a certain price pattern that has a bias or a tendency to for price to move higher than lower, and after the government report comes out better than expected, that adds a bit more support to that decision that had been made through your technical analysis. So in the comment section below, I'm interested to see what kind of trader are you if you're already trading, and if you're just getting into trading, what kind of approach interests you. That would be really cool to see. So let me know in the comment section below. The most important part in this video: can I actually make money trading forex? Yes and no. Let me explain. If we become methodical traders with a plan that has a higher probability of winning than losing, and we have the right psychology, then we can make a lot of money. But if we don't have a plan on how we are going to take and exit trades, and if we have no concern for risk management, then we are going to lose a lot of money in the forex market. But worry not, my goal with this channel is to provide a good foundation for guys who are just starting out in their journey, so that you can become profitable traders in the forex market. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you guys, Sana, and I'll see you in the next one.